Hi y'all, my name is Pam and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for sliding on in here, and I hope you can stick around and see what I have to show you. As always, if you are a returning channel family, welcome home, and I'm so glad to see you today. And I appreciate you so much. You have no idea. What I have for you today is I'm going to look at some art pop that I got. Art pop. I can't believe I said art pop. ArtDot. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Anyway, I have some ArtDot to show you, and I got a canvas and I got a 12-pack box. So I'm just gonna pull these out and show them to you. I ordered from ArtDot before. I really like their canvases. I like the way they send it. It comes in this super cool little tube thing here. It had a box outside of it. The box that it came in got pretty beat up, not gonna lie, but this looks great. It even has a little strappy thing for you to carry it. So we have here, let's see, ArtDot Diamond Painting Kit. They say this is advanced, all-inclusive. It is a 47.5 centimeter by 70 centimeter or 18.7 by 27.6 inch diamond painting. It includes a canvas, diamond pack, storage tray, large and small, wax, a pen, release papers, a sealer kit, which is nice. I like that. Tweezers and DMC stickers. And then it just has on here, diamond painting is good for stress relief, which absolutely, that's the reason I do it. Sparkling art, stunning artwork composed of colorful and multifaceted diamonds, and all age-friendly craft. Absolutely, that is all true. There is like a nice little pictured how-to little mini tutorial, I guess, here in case this is your first one and you need some instructions. All right, let's open this guy up and take a look. Oh, here, sorry. Let me get myself organized. You know, you would think I've been doing this enough that I can get organized before I start. But that would make too much sense. Okay, this says a painting by Simone Grunwald. A cozy reading, and it's a square diamond. So, I'll put this up here so you can see. So these are licensed artworks, by the way, which I appreciate. Oh, here. Sorry, I just want to grab something to drink really quick. Oh my God, it is still so hot here. It's unbelievable. I just came back in from taking my nephew to school, and oh my God, it's insane how hot it is out there. Let's see what all we have. Okay. You know what? Let me get this painting to let it start laying itself straight. I really love these things it comes in because, like, especially if you're like me and you don't paint it right away, you have something nice to keep it in. All right, let's see what we got. So you get, oh, thank you, from ArtDot. It has their warranty, and you can scan the code to register for your warranty. And let's see, returns, replacements for faulty items, coverage for diamond related issues including loss, mix-up, or spillage. So that's awesome. Put that over here so I don't lose it. They send a sealer also for you to seal your diamond painting with when you're done. This, release paper. You can never have too much release paper. Love it. Here we have, I can tell it's a pen. Get it open. There you go. So it's a standard straw pen with a single placer and a, looks like a probably 3-placer on the end, with 2 pads of wax. They also have a nice set of tweezers. These are metal, sharp, nice. And I always try to leave the covers on because, believe me, I have stabbed myself with sharp tweezers before, and it hurts. It does. So they also sent a couple of different, their trays. This is the small one. I always have the hardest time getting theirs open, though, I have to admit. But it has like the little ridges on the inside, and it's a branded, I don't know if you can see, it says ArtDot. Trying to catch it. There you go. And just slides in like this. Man, the first time. Oh, is there a? Nope. I thought maybe it was taped. There you go. There you go. So they send 2 small ones and one of the large ones. Can get it open. Oh, it's back here. Huh, duh, Pam. There you go. And it has all the ridges in here. These are nice. If you had enough of them, you could actually just kit up in here. But yeah, so 1 large, 2 small. We put these off to the side. And drills. So this is a square painting. So you can kind of see the color story we got going on here. I love these neutral shades. I do. Like earth tones, you know. I love stuff that's colorful, don't get me wrong. But sometimes I like a nice earth tone canvas too. These are in trains. I don't believe there's any like specials, ADs or anything. I don't see anything. Yeah, these all look like standard square drills, although they are nice. They are nice looking drills, but just like standard drills. Their canvas is got that nice, like soft kind of felt background. And look how much this has already straightened out just from me laying it on its side. Oh, sticker sheet. How could I forget? Sticker sheet. So this is going to be square drills. There are 47,700 drills. It is 70 by 47.5 centimeters. And there are, I wonder why these are colored. I think maybe these are special drills if I remember correctly from the previous one. I'll have to look at the canvas and see. But there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 colors. So these are stickers that you can kit up, put them on whatever you kit up to. And this is your little thumbnail here. This is the actual artwork that we're going to be doing. Doesn't that look cozy? Just sitting and reading. I love that. These are great for if you have a logbook to stick into your logbook. Oh, this is sticker. Yeah, it looks like you'll have to actually cut this piece out right here, though. I usually put these on the outside of whatever I kit up into. That way, because I kit up into those like little, kind of like suitcasey looking things with the little canisters in them, and I just put whatever I'm painting on the outside of it, so I can just look at the outside and know what's in there. So perfect. We have that. All right, let's take a look at this. See if I have it the right way. Oh, it goes long ways this way. Okay. So let me straighten her out. Yeah, there are 38 colors. I do think there are 2 special color drills. If I remember correctly, just the way they're colored makes me think that. Here, let me straighten this out. And then I'll try to hold it up where the light's not too glaring on it. But this thing flattened right out. You are literally ready to start painting on this. You don't have to flatten anything. It looks great. I really like their canvases. They're super nice. This cover is not too thin, not too thick. It's really good. It's one that I would feel very comfortable just partitioning this off with washi and cutting it as I diamond paint it, which is what I prefer to do. But I would feel perfectly safe doing that and not be too worried about cutting my canvas because the cover's pretty nice. All right, so let's see if I can like start at the top and just kind of move down. So yeah, so she's got some books up on that shelf, and there's shelves over here next to a window. Plants all around. Her window ledge with plants and her hat. And she is all cozied up on her bed reading a book. How cute is that? I love that. Very nice. Very, very nice. So the name of this is Cozy Reading, rendered by ArtDot. The original is by Simone Grunwald, as we said. And they have ArtDot's socials and stuff down here in the bottom, how to contact them. Let's get up here. Let me show you the legend. Oh, I can find it. There you go. There, so you see how those last two are colored? I believe that is some sort of a special drill. I'll look really quick and see. And look at your drill field. So clean, so clear, so easy to read. And it's like a nice little combination of color blocking with a little confetti. Like, I love color blocking because it's fast, but it gets kind of boring. So I like a little bit of both. And that's exactly what this has. This is super sticky. Oh, this looks amazing. Let me see if I can see what that diamond is so I can tell you what it is. I did order these from ArtDot.com. I just went on their website. And I've ordered from them before. I get stuff pretty quickly. Let's see, it's 37 and 38. Oh yeah, it is. Here, let me take them out and show it to you. They're ABs. That's what they are. Fun. Let's see where they go. So you can tell these are ABs, just in case you aren't familiar. ABs are Aurora Borealis. Do you see that extra like glitter coating? And then when the light hits them, they actually look almost like a different color. There. So we have, see, 37, which is the number 7. So let me find number 7. Let's see where that would be. Oh, on the edges of the plant, like in here. Yeah, all on the plants, like the highlights on the plants. Again, the highlights on the plants here, all down here. Oh, even some on the blanket. And then the other one is number 9. Let's see if I can find that one. Let's see. I always think I should have like a music in the background. What is it, like that old, what was that show with Alex Trebek? Right, you know, Jeopardy. There you go. The Jeopardy music playing in the background while I look. At least that's what I hear in my head. I'm finding a ton of that 7. Oh, the 9 is all in the blanket down here and down here, all in here, on the bed, in the pillow. Yeah, it's all in the blanket. So perfect, it does have 2 ABs, nice. All right, so yay, this is lovely. Like it. And they really do go all out with their extras, you know, that they send. I'm super appreciative of all of that. All right, let's open this up. So I got another 12-pack from them that was really nice. Those canvases are fabulous. And I'm hoping that this is going to be the same experience. Get out of there. There you go. So this, as you can see, these are all animals. So that's what this 12-pack is about. Let's take a look. I love their storage because it just holds everything. Like if you're not going to do it right away. So this comes with 6 of their small trays, like I showed you a minute ago on the other one. It comes with 6 pens and a bunch of the blue wax. Okay, it has their warranty card in here that you scan, and a thank you. Move this over here. So we have all of these colors. Man, Pam, where is your brain? Goodness. All right, and you have a sticker sheet for each one, so you can kit each one up separately. So yay for that. Wow, and these are like loaded with ABs. Oh my God. This looks like this is going to have to be something that's going to get worked on soon. Check these out. Tons of ABs on all of these. And you can see the, what do you call it? The artwork there. And it looks like mostly they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like 31 to 35 colors. This one has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 38 colors. Wow. Okay, this is super nice. Sorry, I'm fangirling here. This is really, really super nice. And look how gorgeous these are, because they come to you straight. So you do absolutely nothing to these. Let me put that over there to get them ready. They are ready to go and gorgeous. Let me just kind of go over them really quick and show you. This one, the original artwork, is up here. Cat laying under the moon. It looks like this one has 30 colors and 3 of them are ABs. I bet you a ton of it's up here in these night skies. I'm not going to go through all of these, but I mean, each one of these obviously has its own kit. These are round, 14 by 10. These are licensed artwork also. These are all done by the same artist. Her name is Louise Golby. And this one is called Journey to the Stars. Same felt canvas, same scalloped edges to keep them from fraying. They are immensely sticky. They are great. And like I said, you don't have to do a thing to these. They're already flat and ready to go. And check out this drill field. Look at that. Super nice. The legend is on 2 sides because there's so many. Let me show you really quick. We'll go through it. And then the other half is on the other side. There, and you can see this one has 3 ABs. Gorgeous. Oh my God, look how cute this one is. Oh. So again, same artist. This one is called Pastel Cat. This one has 38 colors, 3 of them being ABs. Here is the actual artwork. Look at this drill field. There's a lot of confetti in here I can see, but that's okay because it's not a very big painting. But look how nice and easy that is to read. And super sticky. I love it. That's gorgeous. Again, round diamonds. I'm sure they're all round. And they are all 35 by 25. So they're all the same size. This one is called Rebirth. Same artist again. Round drills. There's 11,036 drills in here. So these will go pretty quick. This one has, even though it's small, has 34 colors. And 3 of those are ABs. So here is the original artwork. Oops, sorry. Gorgeous. Let me hold it so you can see it out of the light. I love that. That's going to be so colorful. Man, I don't know which one I would do first. Here's another cat. This one's called Royalty. They're all going to have the same diamond count and the same size. Okay. This one has 37 colors, with 3 of them being ABs. Here is the original artwork. How gorgeous, right? And check out this drill field. Super, super clean, easy to read. Again, incredibly sticky. And these canvases are so soft. They really feel like a high-end, like luxury type of canvas. They feel really nice. The cover sheet is also, like I said, thick enough that you could cut this as you go, if that is your preference. But look how regal and beautiful he is. Love that. Look at those eyes. Ah, gorgeous. Here we have, this one's called Shepherd. There are 39 colors with this little guy, and there are 2 ABs. Here is the original artwork. I love German Shepherds. I haven't had a German Shepherd since I was a kid. They're beautiful dogs. They're so, I've always thought they were good family dogs. Super sticky again. And check out that drill field. Super easy to read. There is color blocking, line blocking, and confetti. So you got the best of all worlds. And look at this guy. Super cute. The happy looking little face. Here, this one is called Stag of Winter. Same artist, same size, same round drills. This one has 32 colors, excuse me, with 2 of them being ABs. Here is the original artwork. Sorry, I'm trying to get it up here where you can see it but not be completely in your face. And so sticky. I love that. Check out the drill field. Super crisp, super clean. Oh, check those antlers out. Surely that has to be where the ABs are. It is. The H is all these antlers, is all in where the ABs are. Yep, the other AB is also in the antlers. That's going to be stunning. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay. Oh, look at this guy. This one is called Golden Days. Oh, how cute. Let's see, here's the original. What a happy looking guy. Oh, so cute. There are 31 colors, and 1, 2, 3 of them are ABs. Super sticky. And let's see if we can figure out, oh, look how cute he is. Let's see, where are your ABs going to be? In the fur, on the edges of the fur. Again, on the edges of the fur. And where's this last one? It's a very unusual symbol. Oh, up here in the sky. Up here. Must be the light source coming from up here. That's where it is. Love that. Super cute. Next is Daisy Days. Let's see, here is the original. Man, I wish you guys could feel these canvases. Oh, they feel so nice. They feel expensive, but this was not expensive. So nice. I mean, okay, they're not Temu cheap, but they're not terribly pricey either. I see a nice middle of the road cost. You definitely are getting your money's worth. Definitely getting your money's worth. Sorry, there was a little wrinkle there. Okay. So that is Gorgeous. So let's see, Daisy Days. This has 32 colors. 3 are ABs. And they are everywhere. So the A is along the side. Yeah, down here along the side. Like the animal is here, right? So it's like whatever this is that we're laying in is where that one is. Then, yeah, the last 2 are up in the antler area. Gorgeous. I love that. Cute. Let me see. Look at this face. Oh my God. Look at that face. Here, the original artwork. Sorry, I know it seems I'm going through these really fast, but there's a bunch of them, and you know, nobody wants to sit here for 2 hours. So this is just named Collie. So, you know, this is a border collie. I love border collies. They are so smart and they are so cute. Look at that face. Oh my God. This one has 36 colors. 3 of them are ABs. And those ABs look like they are in, let's see. Okay, well, they're somewhere. Oh, one of them's up here in the sky. And see like a C and a plus sign. Oh, the C is down here in the white part of the fur. So that's where that one is. And then the X is, where are you? Come on. Oh, in the sky, up here, where these pinks are, up here in the sky. So cute. Oh, super sticky too. These are great. These would all look so good in one of those like portfolio holders. You know what I mean? Just, you could just flip through it and just follow the story, you know? So cute. Aw, butterfly fox. Like a fox with wings. Here is the art. And that's exactly what it is. A fox with wings. Love that. There are 33 colors. 1, 2, 3 of them are ABs. And these ABs are going to be found surely in the wings. Absolutely up here in the wings. 2 of them are up here in the wings. Actually, 3 of them are up here in the wings. And also down here too. Oh, so cute. There, you can get a good look. Love that. Here, this one is called Butterfly Cat. And there is a cat. I'm assuming there's going to be butterflies somewhere. Oh, I think these are little butterflies. Yep, little butterflies. That's what these are around it. Here's the original artwork. You can see. There are 37 colors. And there are 1, 2, 3 ABs. And these ABs are going to be in the cat's fur here. Also, 2 of them are in the cat's fur. Like on these, like highlighted, like the light source looks like it's coming from this way. So it's going to be on this part of the cat's fur and the face. And actually, all 3 of them are in this area too. And on these little butterflies that are flying around are your ABs. This will be cute. Oh man, I don't know which one I would do first. And then last but not least, Autumn Spirit. Oh, that's an owl. Oh, well, you know how much I love owls. There you go. There are 33 colors here. 3 of them are ABs. And they're going to be like out here on the beak and up in this like head, like above the headpiece here. 2 of them are there. And down like on the edges of like where the feet and the claws, like in the highlights where the feet and claws are. And this looks like it's like a night sky. So it's also these little dots, which I'm assuming are probably like starlights. Super sticky. Check out that drill field. Man, I have nothing bad to say about their canvases. Absolutely nothing. These are amazing. It just makes me want to stop what I'm working on and just start one, but I cannot because I need to finish the one that I'm doing for an event. So, but how cute. Oh my God. I love that so much. Okay, so recap. Tons of drills. We have this cute, it's called Autumn Spirit. This one is what, Journey to the Stars. Pastel Cat, love. Rebirth, I'm assuming this is like a phoenix or some kind of, that would make sense to me. Royalty, oh, beautiful. I love the eyes on that one. Super cute shepherd, love him. It's a him in my world, sorry. Stag of Winter. I can't wait to see this with all those ABs on it. It's going to be gorgeous. Nothing better than a golden retriever. Look at that. Golden Days. Daisy Days. Again, sorry. There you go. Looking off into the distance. Border Collie baby. Oh, he's so cute. I love border collies. Butterfly fox. And butterfly cat. So that's the 12 piece. And then for our main canvas, we have Cozy Reading. Again, get you one last kind of look through here. Sorry, it's long, so I'm just shifting you up that way. There. So you can see her here without the glare. How cute is that? Go on the side. I don't have one single bad thing to say about their canvases. 0. They're amazing. It's worth every penny that I spent for this. Absolutely. All right. So highly, yes, recommend. Absolutely. All right. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for hanging out with me and checking this gorgeousness out here. Beautiful. I don't even know what to say. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thanks for hanging with me. Check out ArtDot.com. I will put the links in the description box below if you're interested in checking these out. And yeah, be safe, be happy, be healthy, be wealthy, be all the great things that there is to be. And I will see you next time. Bye.